Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by triaging the claim immediately. Open YouTube Studio, go to Content, then the Copyright tab to see whether it's a Content ID match, a manual claim, or a strike. Once you know the type, collect proofs, original project files, license emails, purchase receipts, and timestamps showing your use. If you used licensed music, pull the license terms. This first step sets the entire process. Make sure to document every file name and date to support your next actions. Once done triaging, decide your route. Remove or replace the flagged segment, accept the claim, file a dispute, or request a license from the claimant. If disputing, upload clear evidence, signed licenses, release forms, original stems, or a concise fair use rationale with timestamps and transformative purpose. Explain how your use differs from the original and attach supporting files. Make sure to track appeal windows and deadlines. Acting quickly preserves options and prevents automatic takedowns or strikes from escalating. To complete resolution, follow through. If your dispute succeeds, confirm claim removal and check monetization settings. If denied, either appeal carefully, file a counter notice only when confident, or open direct negotiation for a license or revenue share. Maintain organized records of every message and timestamp proofs. If things go wrong, don't panic. Use one troubleshooting tip. Remain factual and professional in appeals and correspondence, because emotional or aggressive language undermines credibility and can close doors to settlement or reinstatement.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.